Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with the SIM pin on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. Then scroll a little bit more down and tap to other security settings. Then click to set up SIM card lock, and just to lock SIM card with the SIM pin we should tap on the switcher, and now we should add the random or just the pin code. I'll just use the pin code from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. We just successfully locked our SIM card with the pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.